How to turn on Snapchat camera access on your Android and iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be discussing about turning on Snapchat camera access on your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android. So follow the steps. First, you need to go ahead and open your system settings on your device. Now from this page, scroll down and go to apps directly if you're using Android device. But if you're using iPhone, you need to tap on general management, then go to iPhone storage and then simply select Snapchat. But if you're in Android, go to apps, search for Snapchat application. Now go to permissions and make sure that you have enabled photos and videos and camera for Snapchat and you'll be done. But on iPhone, you need to go ahead, select Snapchat under iPhone storage and then toggle the camera to on and you'll be done. After this, Snapchat will have permission to use your camera for snaps and videos. You can now capture and send snaps to your friends or whoever is connected with you on Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.